In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a picture into a circle or any shape using Google Slides on your PC. This is a fantastic skill that can make your presentation stand out and add a touch of creativity to your slides. Let's dive right in and learn how to easily achieve this. To begin, you'll need to open Google Slides. Start by navigating to Google's homepage and sign into your Google account. If you're not signed in yet, make sure to enter your login credentials so you can access all Google services, including Google Slides. Once you're logged in, go to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll have the option to start fresh with a new presentation. You can either click on a blank presentation if you're starting from scratch, or if you prefer, you can choose a theme that catches your eye. Selecting a theme can give your presentation a cohesive look, but feel free to go with a blank canvas if that's what you need for this task. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, cropping your image. First, you'll need to select an image to work with. Click on Insert in the menu and select Image. You can upload a picture from your computer, or if you have it stored in Google Drive, you can insert it directly from there. Once your image is placed on your slide, ensure it's selected so you see the blue border around it. This means it's ready for editing. Next, look towards the toolbar at the top. There, you'll spot the mask image icon, which plays a vital role in the cropping process. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu displaying various shape options. For our purpose today, choose shapes to unveil a variety of geometric shapes. Then click on the circle shape if you want a circular crop. Once you do this, watch as your image is instantly masked into a circle. This simple action can transform a regular image into an eye-catching asset for your presentation. Remember, this doesn't permanently alter your original photo, so you can always revert back if needed. Moreover, you can go back to the mask image tool anytime to try different shapes or adjust your current one for the perfect look. Feel free to play around with the sizing and positioning on your slide until you get the look you're going for. You can also experiment with other shapes, such as triangles, stars, or callouts, to add unique visual interest to your slides. And there you have it, a straightforward way to crop pictures into circles or other shapes in Google Slides. This technique can really spruce up your presentation and give it a polished appearance. Don't forget to save your work by clicking on File and then Save, just to ensure you don't lose these edits. Try out different shapes and layouts to creatively transform your slides and make them more visually engaging. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting.